Hi and welcome to my channel, yours mentor. Some idioms are used mostly by highly fluent English speakers. Learning these 15 idioms will make you sound like a native. 1. Barking up the wrong tree. To pursue a mistaken or misguided course. Example, if you think I'll help you cheat, you're barking up the wrong tree. 2. Burn the midnight oil. To work late into the night. Example, she burned the midnight oil to finish her project. 3. Call it a day. To stop working for the day. Example, we've done enough, let's call it a day. 4. Cut to the chase. Get to the main point without wasting time. Example, stop with the small talk and cut to the chase. 5. Hit the ground running. Start a task energetically and successfully. Example, the new manager hit the ground running on her first day. 6. In the same boat. In the same difficult situation. Example, we're all in the same boat with this deadline. 7. Jump on the bandwagon. Follow a popular trend. Example, he jumped on the bandwagon and started using the new app. 8. Keep your eyes peeled. Stay alert and watchful. Example, keep your eyes peeled for any mistakes in the report. 9. Let sleeping dogs lie. Avoid restarting an old argument. Example, don't bring up that issue again, let sleeping dogs lie. 10. Once in a blue moon. Something that happens very rarely. Example, we meet once in a blue moon. 11. Play it by ear. Decide what to do as the situation develops. Example, I'm not sure about the schedule, we'll play it by ear. 12. The ball is in your court. It's your responsibility to take the next step. Example, I've done my part, now the ball is in your court. 13. Through thick and thin. Support someone in good and bad times. Example, they stayed friends through thick and thin. 14. Turn a blind eye. Ignore something deliberately. Example, the manager turned a blind eye to the minor mistake. 15. Your guess is as good as mine. I don't know either. Example, why the system crashed. Your guess is as good as mine. Conclusion. Use these idioms naturally in conversations to sound more fluent and confident like top English speakers. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.